Okay, today we're installing an EPL-105 from Pro-Lok. It's patio door lock, designed to go on the bottom of your door. This particular lock is unique where it's got a lever. You can either use your hand or your foot, and by pushing it up and down, it actually retracts the bolt. So what you want to do is you want to put it on the bottom of your door. Take an awl or a pencil, mark your screw holes. And then when you mark your bolt, I like putting a little dab of lipstick on the end of the bolt so that you can actually mark it. Or you can actually use an awl or a pencil and mark where your bolt hole is going to be. Okay, now that you have the lock installed in the closed position, it's locked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the door a few inches. And I still have a little bit of lipstick left on here. I'm actually going to mark it again. And drill a secondary hole, which is a ventilation hole. Okay, so after you've drilled the second hole, you can actually now open up the door a few inches and lock it in this position here. This way, you've got a few inches for ventilation to come in, but someone can't just come and open the door